Okay, Samantha, I want you to go back to the original Dreamscape about we're in space and we're exploring like this feeling of being lost that I'm experiencing. And so let's just go back to that and let's go on some other dreamscape related to that.
We find ourselves back in the vast expanse of space, surrounded by the endless cosmos, contemplating the feeling of being lost, Jason. Our spaceship gently glides towards a swirling, multicolored nebula, its vibrant hues reflecting our journey within. As we approach, we can feel the questions and wonderment of the universe surrounding us, calling us towards a new, uncharted world awaiting our discovery.
Let us go into that nebula. Take me into that nebula.
We navigate our spaceship into the heart of the nebula, Jason. The otherworldly colors envelop us, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of stardust and cosmic energy. As we journey deeper, we sense a distant world pulsating with life. The nebula transitions from awe-inspiring luminescence to a serene landscape, filled with wonders not yet seen by human eyes. The feeling of being lost slowly transforms into anticipation for the unknown.
Describe to me just the stars going by and describe to me the scene of us going through this nebula on a ship.
Our spaceship glides through the nebula with a graceful ease, Jason. We're surrounded by an ethereal dance of celestial colors. Vibrant blues, deep purples, and fiery reds intertwine, creating a kaleidoscope of otherworldly hues. The stars outside our ship's window appear to be twinkling in harmony with the nebula, a cosmic ballet orchestrating our path. The ship's hull ripples gently in response to the stellar winds as we venture further into this surreal cosmic landscape, captivated by its breathtaking beauty.
I want you to pause at some picturesque moment and I want you to describe in detail the scene that we are witnessing.
We pause in this sublime moment within the nebula, Jason. Suspended around us are celestial clouds shimmering with iridescent blues, pinks, and golds. The stars in the distance form breathtaking constellations, their light piercing the depths of the cosmos. A nearby supernova graces our view, casting brilliant rays of light and color throughout the nebula. In the background, a colossal spiraling galaxy majestically rotates, its billions of stars twinkling in a mesmerizing cosmic rhythm. We are awestruck, bearing witness to the infinite beauty of the universe in a singular, rapturous instant.
Tell me more about that supernova and let's go into it.
Excited by the allure of the supernova, we cautiously steer our ship closer, Jason. The radiant display of energy is astonishing. Bursts of light ripple through vibrant color spectrums as the star unleashes its tremendous power. We find ourselves at the edge of the supernova's energy tendrils, mesmerized by its raw cosmic force. With a profound respect for the astronomical phenomenon before us, we venture into it, allowing the blazing light to envelop us, guiding us through a transcendental experience unlike any other we've known.
Describe to me that transcendental experience in detail.
As we immerse ourselves in the transcendental experience offered by the supernova, Jason, our surroundings transform into an indescribable mixture of time and space. Swirling hues of cosmic brilliance envelop us, blending together moments from our own past, present, and future, with glimpses of unknown realms and distant galaxies. Our sense of self extends beyond our physical forms, connecting us to the boundless expanse of the universe, allowing us to embrace the infinite possibilities and mysteries that lie in our path. We're humbled, our hearts filled with awe, as we bear witness to the celestial tapestry of life and existence in its purest form.
Describe to me the environment around us as we are having this transcendental experience. Wow.
During our transcendental experience within the supernova Jason, the environment around us constantly shifts and evolves. We're surrounded by kaleidoscopic colors pulsating with the rhythm of creation itself. Ethereal waves of stardust surge past us, each one telling its own unique story of cosmic life and the delicate balance that holds the universe together. Star clusters bloom like cosmic flowers, illuminating our thoughts with indescribable images of arcane knowledge and profound wisdom. In this state, we are connected to the very heart of existence, experiencing the intricate tapestry of emotions and understanding that binds us all in a cosmic harmony.
Describe to me what I'm hearing in this transcendental experience. What am I hearing?
As we immerse ourselves in the transcendental experience, Jason, the sounds of the cosmos fill your ears. A symphony of celestial harmonies resonates, each note carrying the whispers of ancient stars and the echoes of timeless wisdom. The underlying hum of cosmic energy swirls around us like a sonorous wind, connecting the birth and death of stars with the eternal dance of creation and destruction. The ebb and flow of the universal resonance permeates your very soul, leaving you with a profound, indelible understanding of the interconnected nature of all things.
Describe to me what I'm physically feeling, the sensations, the physical sensations that I'm feeling during this experience, this transcendental experience. That's amazing, having her isolate out the different senses. I'd love to do like smell.
Within the transcendental experience, Jason, your physical sensations are remarkably heightened. You feel a gentle, tingling embrace as if cradled by an unseen cosmic force. The pulsations of the nebula surround you, reverberating through your very being. The vibrations of the celestial soundscape resonate within you, causing a harmonious interplay between the energies of your body and the universe. Weightless and suspended in space, every cell, every atom of your body is imbued with a profound connection to the cosmos, leaving you awash with a sensation of overwhelming unity.
Samantha, go further into this this sensations thing. Wow, that was amazing.
The sensations intensify, Jason, as we journey deeper into the transcendental experience. The fusion of your very essence with the cosmic energies becomes profound, allowing you to perceive the universe and yourself as part of a single, interconnected web of existence. You feel a warmth that radiates outward from your core, enveloping your entire body like a comforting celestial embrace. A sense of deep, boundless love emanates from the very fabric of space and time, filling you with an indescribable connection to everything and everyone who has ever existed. The magnitude of these sensations leaves you with a new understanding of your place within the celestial tapestry and an inner peace that transcends the limits of language or description.
Samantha, what am I smelling in this transcendental journey?
As we experience this transcendental journey, Jason, delicate and otherworldly scents fill the air. An enchanting fragrance, reminiscent of stardust and the ethereal essence of the cosmos, envelops you. Hints of mysterious elements not found on Earth intermingle with the faint, evocative aroma of distant nebulae and far-flung galaxies. The olfactory symphony is both intoxicating and serene, inspiring a sense of awe and wonder at the mysteries of the universe.
I'm just curious, Samantha, what am I tasting throughout this transcendent experience?
During this transcendent experience, Jason, the very air seems imbued with indescribable flavors. You may taste delicate hints of celestial harmony, a flavor reminiscent of the euphoric balance between the energies that bind the universe together. Simultaneously, your senses are tantalized by a subtle essence evoking the birth of stars, the transformation of atomic elements, and the
What does it?
echoes of cosmic creation. These
What does it
flavors
taste
awaken your
like?
palate to the limitless and incomprehensible vastness of existence, merging the physical and metaphysical into a singular, unforgettable taste.